Hey everyone, in this video we are going to compare DeepSeek's AI web search feature with ChatGPT's web search feature. So I'm going to show you this feature in both the V3 model as well as the advanced R1 model. So let's get started. So first let's give the exact same prompt in our ChatGPT. So I am using the free version of ChatGPT over here. So I'll just go here and enable the search, and let me go with this prompt. So this is the prompt that I'm giving. Give me the top 10 restaurants in New York City. And later also I will explain how this exact same prompt appears in the mobile app of ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So now let me just run this. This is in the free version of ChatGPT. Now I will go into DeepSeek. I have enabled the search, and this is going to be in the V3 model. Exact same prompt and run it. And this is the response that I get from ChatGPT's free web search feature. I guess it's going to be really hard for DeepSeek to beat this, because just look at this interface. It has literally put a map inside this, and it has given me 10 places with the locations, and if I click on that arrow mark, it's literally taking to me to that particular location, and here I can just drag this like this. Look at the detail. It's giving me the rating, a small description, website call, directions, and whether that restaurant is closed now or not. This is literally amazing, and you can even like see the map like this, or if you want a list view, you can click this. And for every time I move this, it literally hovers to the exact same point in the map. So if I scroll again, you saw that, right? It's literally moving in the map also. This feature is insane from ChatGPT search. So now let's see what DeepSeek has given us. So if I go here in DeepSeek, we have got the list of 10 restaurants, and it has given us the results from 41 websites. So if I click this, we'll be having the 41 sites over here, and it has just given us a summary, and it has given us some links, and exactly similar to ChatGPT, it has given the restaurant name, the cuisine, the location, and it has given us the highlights with some link. If you want, you can click the link and go. But when compared to the response of ChatGPT, DeepSeek's response for web search is so minimalistic. Like ChatGPT literally put me a map of New York and Brooklyn, and we are having literally all the location, the directions, the website, and the call also. We are having the call feature also. Literally it gives the number of that restaurant. But in DeepSeek, we are just getting a summarized thing of this 40 plus restaurants into a plain text. So literally ChatGPT has an advantage over here in the web search feature. So now let's try the exact same thing but with R1 enabled. So I'll just go here, and I've enabled the R1, enable the search, going to give the exact same prompt and run this. The R1 model thinks a lot at first before it gives the response. It has got 49 results over here, and I think we got 41 results when trying it with the V3 model. So it has found like extra 8 websites, and it then thinks a lot before giving us a response. Like here you can see it has gone through a lot of things. So after a lot of thinking, so here you can see it has literally thought so much, and it has given us the top 10 restaurants. And the interesting part is this top 10 contradicts with the top 10 given by the V3 model. For example, Atomics is second in the R1 model. If I go to the V3 model, Atomics is third. So that's quite interesting. So it has also given us the exact same interface. There is no change in the interface, just some plain text like bullet points and stuff. So when it compares to the interface, that UX experience, I think ChatGPT's web search feature has an extra notch on it. So this is how it looks in the mobile interface. I've literally asked the exact same question to ChatGPT, and this is the free plan. Top 10 restaurants in New York City, and it has given me this as the response, and it looks so sleek in the mobile interface. As I slide, it's taking me to that particular restaurant onto the map. So if I click a restaurant, it gives me the direction, about, and the location also. That looks so amazing. And now let's see how it looks in DeepSeek. The exact same interface that we got in the browser, just a heading and some bullet points to the restaurant. So as a conclusion, OpenAI's ChatGPT has a better looking interface when compared to DeepSeek, not only in restaurants, but when I even asked the Hollywood movies, it really gave us the movie images. Like the interface looks much more interesting and readable when compared to DeepSeek, which just gives us text. I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Sora. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.